Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. All of you be ready with your creative writing books. Oh, sorry, copies.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Be ready with your English creative writing copies. What was the last topic that we did?
The last topic is
What was the last topic?
the format of an important letter. But
Beta, English creative. This is your English creative writing period. What was the last topic that we did in English creative writing? Format of an informal letter?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So did I give you any letter to write?
Yes, ma'am. But
I gave you a letter to write. The letter was, you have to tell your experience of new school hostel to your mother. Did I give you this topic?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you all written the letter? Children, do you want to sleep right now? Huh? All of you want to sleep right now that there is no response? First of all, open your cameras, everybody. No answers with you all. What we have done, nobody is replying. Have I given you the topic? No response. You all are sleeping right now. You want to sleep, then please leave the class and go. Don't be in the class. Don't be in the Zoom meet. Harsh, Arav, Mishti and Karthik. You want to be in the class? Open your cameras. And I want straight answers from all of you. What was the last topic of informal letter I gave you to write? What was the topic?
Ma'am, write a letter to your mother telling her about your new school.
Yes. All of you have written the letter?
Sorry, ma'am.
Only Stuti is there in class. Still only Stuti is replying. What about other students?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What about other students? No word to speak at all?
Ma'am, what happened? Ma'am? What we are going to do today?
I am writing a topic in the chat box. You have to write a letter based on the format of the letter I gave you. Okay? I shared a format with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Based on that format, if you have a question to ask, if you can open your mouths, I will give you your answers. Otherwise, you're most welcome to be in the class like this. Okay? Behave as dumb as you can. Okay? No one has got any answer to give. Everybody is behaving so dumb today.
What was the question? Ma'am, what was the question? Then what we have to do?
I have written the topic in the chat box. You have to do it. Write a letter to your friend telling her about an exam for which you were not prepared.
Ma'am, our topic is friend. Ma'am, the topic is
The topic is in the chat box.
friend.
Be quiet, be quiet. Topic is in the chat box.
And the last topic was write a letter to your mother telling her about your school hostel.
Yes, beta, I know the last topic was that. Now write this letter and then I will make you read both the letters. You have to write a letter to your friend telling him about your exam, that you gave an exam but you were not prepared for it. Okay, let's say you gave your maths exam without any preparation. So what will you tell your friend in that letter?
Ma'am, but my first letter is not done, the class get over.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we not write the letter to your mother telling her about your new school hostel. We are not done because ma'am the class is over now.
You have not written the previous letter?
Yes ma'am, because the class is over now and you say that we in next class we return.
Okay. This is what na everybody is behaving so dumb that you can't tell me what you're supposed to do. Last time I gave you a topic to write and the class got over. Was this the case? I gave you a topic to write and the class got over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Then don't you have to tell me this thing? Will you not tell me this thing? Write the previous letter, write on the previous topic. Leave this topic and write the letter telling your mother about your experience of a new school hostel. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So, ma'am, no, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. मैं क्या बोलूँगा तुम्हारी क्लास है? Ma'am, I have returned. Ma'am, I have returned.
Okay, beta, wait. You have written the letter to your mother telling her about your new school hostel. Have you written it?
Yes, ma'am. But I have, ma'am, I have all things are written. Those you have speak. Ma'am, I have all things written.
Okay, wait, better let everybody write, then we will do the listening session. I will make you read what you have written.
Okay, ma'am. We will read. What can we write?
What you have written, you will read out in front of the whole class.
Okay, ma'am. What topic is write in letter?
I will type in the chat box. Wait. Can you see the topic in the chat box now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is
And
the
this
second
letter,
topic?
no, there is no second topic. And you will write this letter based on the format that I gave you in the last class.
Okay, ma'am. So I have already written.
Mishti, beta, only you have written. Don't repeat again and again this thing. Let everybody else write. Anybody wants any idea in between? Nobody is asking me any question. Nobody is asking me, ma'am, what it is called in English. How do we write this? Such a genius class, huh? Very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
मुझे आपकी बात याद आई तो इंग्लिश में कर सकते हैं
What, Stuti? Beta, why your device is? I think there is some problem because I can't hear you. Say it loud.
याद करना किसको कहते हैं मतलब इंग्लिश
याद करना. Okay, you want to say कि मम्मी मुझे आपकी याद आती है.
यस मैम
Yes. Okay, so you can write that I miss you.
Ma'am, please tell how can I write my routine?
You can write, you can say that I would like to share my routine with you. I get up at so and so time in the morning. Then we take bath, we get fresh, then we get something to drink. Like you can say we get milk to drink. After that, we are supposed to go out for anything. Okay. Then after returning, we get our breakfast. Our classes start at so and so time. Then till this time, our classes go on. We get a break of 15 minutes in between, anything. Like this, you can write your routine in short. Okay, don't make it very elaborate.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell what I write in salutation?
Beta, salutation, you will write dear mom.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we have to write after the body?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what can we write after the body in
What can we write after? What can, Sarthak, what are you asking?
Ma'am, what can we write after the body?
After the body. See, body is the letter, the main letter that you're writing, the content that you are including. What is that content? That's the body of the letter. Then after that, you can
Ma'am, I am
write
asking-
yours affectionately. That is subscription. Then you write subscription, your name, yours affectionately.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of jogging?
Jogging.
Ma'am, please repeat. Ma'am, please repeat.
Ma'am, what I write in subscription?
Jogging. Okay, listen to the spelling. Jogging. Jogging.
Okay, ma'am.
Then who is Arathar? What are you asking?
Ma'am, what I write in subscription?
Yours affectionately.
Ma'am, please tell exercise.
Ma'am, what is the spelling?
See in the chat box.
Ma'am, please tell exercise.
Ma'am, please write the spelling of exercise.
Yes,
Ma'am, you can write on chat box.
I have written in the chat box, beta. I have written the spelling of affectionately.
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of exercise.
EXCER. No, wait. Let me type in the chat box only. Exercise. EXERCISE.
Shiv Kumar, I have written. Ma'am, Shiv Kumar, I have written.
Okay, now who will read out first? Tell me.
Ma'am, can I?
Who was the first one to complete? It was Mishti. So Mishti, beta, you read out. Open your camera and read out your letter.
Ma'am, what we will write in solution?
In subscription, you will write. What is the subscription? Yours affectionately. And then your name under it.
Ma'am. No, ma'am. In solution.
Section? What is section? What is section in the letter?
Solution.
Now where is Mishti? Now she has disappeared.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, Rishabh, you read better. You read.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second. Write a letter your mother telling her about your new school hostel. I come my new hostel. It is very beautiful. It is decorated.
Rishabh, beta, Rishabh, this is how you have started writing. This is a letter
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
are writing. Where is the address? I told you to write according to the format that I shared last week. Where is the format?
Okay, ma'am.
Where is the address? Where is dear mom? Where is the date? Huh? This is not a way to write a letter. Put it accordingly. Put it in the right format. And then everybody, okay, what you will do is all of you will share the picture. All of you write this letter and share the picture on class group.
Ma'am, can I write the name of hostel?
Yes, you have to write the address of your hostel, the name of the hostel. Then you have to write the date on which you are writing the letter. And
Ma'am,
then
of
you
which
have to
hostel we
write,
can write the
yes,
name and the address?
what name can you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Better write any hostel's name. There are so many
Ma'am, that we
hostels,
can
like
search
you can
from
write
Google.
Mayo College, Ajmer, or you can write Sherwood College, Nainital, All Saints School. There are so many. You can search from net also.
Okay, ma'am.
Wilhelms, Boys Hostel, anything.
Ma'am, can I write Godakhal?
Yes, beta, you can write any name, any school, but you have to give a proper address. Mishti, better take a picture of your letter and send it on the class group.
Okay, ma'am. I send. Ma'am, on group.
Yes, on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how we can write Ghoda Khal?
Ma'am, I have done.
Better check the spellings on Google. It's Ghodakhal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, can I speak?
No, beta, don't speak because I will check it on the class group. I will check your work, everyone's work on the class group. Just let me see how many of you have sent. Not even a single student has sent the work so far. And everybody is saying, ma'am, I have done, I have done.
ma'am,
Yes.
I have not written my hostel name, so in last I have written.
No, in last you cannot write because hostel name will come on the top only. When you start a letter, you have to write it on the top only.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, I will share this letter with all of you on the D group. Everybody will after the school have a look on D group. Okay, I am not sharing it right now. First you have to send me. First you have to send me what you have done. And later you have to learn how to write a letter like that in a proper format.
Ma'am, I have shared.
Yes, beta, I am seeing it. Very nice, beta. Pratyaksh, the format is
Ma'am, I
absolutely
have done.
correct.
Can I
It's
read?
very good. But you should have written a little more, describing something more about your hostel. Otherwise, the format and all is very nice.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
No, beta, don't read. Send it on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
सुना लो.
All of you, please send the letter on the class group. Whatever you have done. Even if it is not complete because the class is over, send it.
Ma'am, please tell
Mishti
about.
Mishra
Ma'am, please tell I have written right.
Ma'am,
Beta, I will read now. I will go through. Wait, I received a...
ma'am,
Your format is absolutely correct.
ma'am, Mishti already said.
Mishti has already sent. No. Which group you have sent it on? It is not there on 4th B group.
Sorry, ma'am. I can send on another group. Ma'am, wait, I will
Ma'am,
send.
my letter is correct.
Yes, it's correct. The format is correct. The content is also good. We go to sleep, not we get to sleep. We get on the beds or we go to sleep at 8:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Only Pratyaksh, Shirsh, Athar, these 3 students have sent the letter. Rest, no one has. Just 3 students out of how
Ma'am,
many?
it's
Out of 14
10:26.
students. Out of 14, right now 14 are present in the class. Yashraj, Zoya, Sarthak, Kanishka, Anmol, Vikas, everybody will send. Karthik, Rishabh, Yuvraj. Okay, children, now you can go for your break. Bye
Bye,
to all
ma'am.
of you.